Hi everybody. First off, I want to apologize for not having a video on Friday. As I said I would, I started it and I messed the whole thing up. I had to just throw it away. So my apologies to all of you. Now this is going to be a little appetizer for 4th of July. I don't know if you're starting, if you're going to celebrate Monday or Sunday or whenever. And this is a 14-ounce pack of Lil Smokies. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And I'm putting these in throwaway. Little container. And I put barbecue sauce on them. I'm going to set these aside for a minute. I've got a half a cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to add a scant quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in that. And mix it in. Mix it real well. You don't want a clump of cayenne pepper in your mouth. And if you don't want to add it, don't add it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now I wanted the little bit of heat. Quarter of a teaspoon's not too much. I think that's what I added. Yeah, quarter of a teaspoon. If you want it hotter, add more. This is just enough to give it a little bite. Alright, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to sprinkle it over the barbecue sauce, and that you add as you choose. Now I'll let you know when this gets done if it's too hot or mild heat or whatever it is. I'm going to put it in the 400 degree oven, and I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes. And then I'll be back because I've got another one. We're back. These have been swimming in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I'm going to put a few on a plate for Sam. And I'm going to call him, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I have called Sam. And he's going to try these and tell you what he thinks, whether they're hot enough or too hot or whatever. Here you go, Sam.
I haven't had these in years. Lil Smokies.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Can you taste the cayenne?
I get a little heat, but
Not bad.
not bad, not too much. Mmm.
Good.
They're great. I could eat all those.
I think so.
I like, and that's barbecue sauce then.
It's barbecue sauce, and it's, I use dark brown sugar, y'all, but you can use light brown. And about 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne.
Well, it's not too, it's not too much pepper. Just right. Yeah.
Yeah, that was 1/4 teaspoon.
Very good.
Well,
Good little appetizer.
glad you liked it. Alright, y'all, I'm giving you another one now. Y'all are going to love this one. So I'll be right back.
Yeah, those are delicious.
And I'll be right back with the next one. Let me set it up, okay? Alright, y'all. You take plain white bread, or you can use wheat, and you take a biscuit cutter and you cut a hole in the middle of your bread. And I'm going to set it aside for a minute. And in this bowl I've got 4 ounces. You can use a smaller biscuit cutter or a large one. This is the only one I could find. I've got 4 ounces of cream cheese, full cream cheese. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and this is a little over a 1/2 cup because I was trying to empty my mayonnaise jar. But I don't think it'll matter. Now make sure your cream cheese is softened. And you're going to mash this together. These are BLT Bites. I'll bring you back when I get all this combined. Alright, now I've got a 2.8 ounce bag of real bacon bits. And I'm going to put those in here if I can get them open. I thought I opened them, but I didn't. Well, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm going to put the whole bag in. Now you can fry your own bacon if you want to. But I didn't want to. Yeah, 2.8 ounces. I'm going to mix that in. And now I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Alright, I put a little sprinkle of pepper and salt in here, and I'm going to stir that in. Let me see if I've got enough. Enough of it in here. I do. Now, whoop. Now we're going to get our little rounds that we made. This is good. And you're going to generously scoop this on each one. Now you'll have them on a pretty platter if you serve them for the 4th. Not done yet. All right. Now, well, just a minute. I'm going to take some cherry tomatoes. And I'm going to, you can do them in halves, but I'm going to do them in quarters. And I'm just going to do one. And here's the lettuce. I'll do one more for you. Well, there we go. And here's your lettuce. Now I'm going to call Sam in to sample these, and I'll bring y'all back. And don't worry about the recipe. Both of them will be down below in the show more section. Alright, here's Sam. He's going to try one.
A bacon, lettuce, and tomato bite. What you just, how you eat it?
With your fingers.
Well, what about that? It tastes like a bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich.
Yeah, except they're little appetizers. Good for the 4th.
Mm-hmm. Kind of. They're good. A little messy. With your fingers they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good. They're cute, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. Would you eat them again?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Have a great 4th. And again, I'm sorry about Friday. But I'll put the recipes for both of these below in the show more section. So that you can sample them. And have them on the 4th. Just a little extra. You all, thank you so much for tuning in. And you all take care, and may God bless every one of you. Bye-bye. Happy 4th.